Guardians of the Gums, written by Adam Dunsford. Warning! We are under a sugar invasion. They are out of control. To limit the sugar attack must be our goal. We cannot take this destruction anymore. It's time to protect our teeth, that is for sure. But look, they're not so bad. They are so cute and sweet. And they are so delicious and nice to eat. Yes, sometimes they are, and they give us energy to function. But when there's too many, they can cause so much destruction. The sugar army can be too much for the royal teeth to handle, and after a while, the damage can be quite substantial. They help the bacteria in their great attack, and the royal teeth begin to break down as they are covered in sticky plaque. The bacteria's first point of attack will always be your teeth and gums, and if not protected over time, your teeth will have to succumb. How did we not see this coming? We must defend ourselves. What can we do? Do not panic. The Guardians of the Gums have some tips for you. The Incredible Brush. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes, twice a day. Believe me, this will help to keep the tooth decay away. Finish off by giving your tongue a brush too. Your mouth will be feeling wonderfully fresh and all brand new. No need to rinse your mouth. Leave that toothpaste on for a while. Pretty soon, you'll be showing off a shiny white smile. The Flossinator. Here is one way you can be a boss. Remember, once a day to always floss. Small bits of food can be sneaky and like to hide, so floss between the teeth and around the side. The Sugar Detective. One of the missions the Sugar Army have been given to complete is to sneak into the foods we love to eat. They are well trained and well disguised. They'll sneak right past you. Watch out for their signs or you won't have a clue. They will sneak into foods that you would never think, like your healthy organic fruit juice drink. They will sneak into your cereal and even your muesli bars. They will sneak into your yogurt and those fruity jam jars. Before you consume those fizzy sodas, you better rethink. Milk and water is a much better option for you to drink. When searching for sneaky sugar soldiers, you can never be too careful. Just ensure you check and read that label. Captain Dentist. I'm Captain Dentist. Have no fear. Come and see me once or twice a year. Come and check out my awesome lair full of super gadgets and a really comfy chair. It's important to have me check your teeth and give them a clean, so add me to your protection routine. Flouride Fairy. They call me sugar's kryptonite. I give those ghastly bacteria a fright. I put my fluoride powers in your toothpaste, water, and the dentist's protective gel. Fluoride power helps to make your teeth strong and keep them safe and well. Our teeth are so important. We use them every day. Therefore, we must look after them in every kind of way. In our lifetime, we only have 52 teeth. After that, no more. So, the protection of our royal teeth is something we cannot ignore. It is vital we keep our teeth healthy and strong, and with us, they will always belong. Always remember what the Guardians of the Gums had to say, and your royal teeth will be cheering, "Hooray, hooray, hooray!"